Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and here you can find night mode, and here you can enable it. You can also add a schedule for it based from sunset to sunrise, or you can set up your custom time. But it looks like not quite night mode, it's just dark theme, but this blue light filter is like night mode 100%, because as you can see you can change its opacity here, and you can also add a schedule for it. You can set up custom time and set it from sunset to sunrise. And this is like OG night mode, because the previous one is just dark theme. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.